how to read a Docker Compose file. In our last video, we talked about Docker Compose files right here and how they were files that could be used to build Docker images right there. Before you start using Docker Compose files, you need to know how to read them. So how do you actually read and understand them? Don't worry, I got you. Behind me, we have a YAML file called YouTube DLP. With Docker Compose, your Docker Compose file is always going to be in YAML format. When you open it up, it's pretty straightforward as long as you're familiar with YAML. So if you've worked with Ansible before, if you've worked with Docker files before, if you've worked with any new application that needs some configuration, you've probably had to configure YAML file. And people use it because it's actually a very convenient language to define settings in. So you start off with your services. In our case, we have one service or container we want to spin up, which we name UTDLP. We have our image, which is for YouTube DLP. We have the ports we want to map. And with Docker, you map the host to internal. So we're mapping host port 3333 to internal port 3333. We map a volume for our downloads right here. And then we have a health check, which is basically it just curling itself. And then a restart policy, which is to always restart unless stopped. So each line inside of this YAML file defines a setting we want inside of this container. And all of these lines are underneath this highest line right here, which is the container name itself, which is YouTube DLP. Tune into our next video where we walk through running a Docker container from a Docker Compose file. If you enjoy this content, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe either here on TikTok or down below at my YouTube channel. Otherwise, stay blessed and thank you for watching.